Sure, you can buy packaged polenta in the store, but if you want to show off your DIY skills, let us show you how to make polenta. It only takes 3 simple ingredients. Begin by bringing lightly salted water or broth to a boil in a saucepan. Now it's time to let it rain. Slowly pour cornmeal into the boiling water in a steady stream, stirring constantly. Here I'm adding 1 cup cornmeal to 4 cups water. Once the cornmeal starts to plop, turn heat to low. Let it continue cooking uncovered for 10 minutes or until thick, stirring occasionally. When cornmeal reaches the perfect thickness, it's ready to serve. Serve polenta warm with a sprinkling of basil and parmesan, or chill it until firm so it can be sliced and fried up to add to recipes. That's all there is to it. 3 simple ingredients and you've got homemade polenta.